Hi everyone, so today we're going to be going over adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. So as we know with all fractions, if we're adding and subtracting them, we have to make sure that they have a common denominator or else we're not able to complete the question. So in this case, you check and see maybe if they have a common factor, say if they're both multiplied by 2 or something, then you know that that's something you can put into your common denominator. In this case, these are two completely different denominators. So what we do whenever we've got two completely different denominators is we just go, okay, multiply this whole fraction by 2x plus 3 and multiply this whole fraction by 3x plus 5. And now our denominator is 3x plus 5 times 2x plus 3. So to do that, so we multiply this whole fraction by 2x plus 3. And the other numerator is going to be multiplied by 3x plus 5. So those are our numerators. And then as we said, the denominator is 3x plus 5 times 2x plus 3. It's always really important that you're keeping that minus in there if it's a minus, and that'll become important whenever we're multiplying out this bracket. Sometimes people forget about that. So all of that is equal to 2. So we don't really need to worry about multiplying out the bottom of it just yet. You can if you want, but I like to just leave it for now. So if we multiply out the top, then 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 3 is 9. And then whenever you're multiplying out this bracket, you're multiplying everything in the bracket by minus 5. You're not multiplying it by 5, because then you'll forget that the minus is there sometimes. So I would just recommend multiplying everything by minus 5. So minus 5 times 3 is minus 15x. And minus 5 times 5 is minus 25. All over 3x plus 5, 2x plus 3 equals 2. And then if we simplify the top of that fraction, then 6x minus 15x is going to give us minus 9x, and 9 minus 25 is going to give us minus 16. 3x plus 5, 2x plus 3 equals 2. So now we can start worrying about getting rid of the fraction altogether. So if we've just got a fraction equal to a number, then we can bring this denominator up and multiply it here, because if we're dividing on this side, we multiply by on this side. So 9 minus 9x minus 16 is equal to 2 times 3x plus 5, 2x plus 3. And now we can start multiplying out this side of the equation. So minus 9x minus 16 equals, and I would recommend keeping the 2 on the outside for now. And I'm going to put my expanded brackets into some square brackets here, just because I like that notation. You can obviously just do normal brackets. So if we expand our brackets, 3x times 2x is 6x squared, 3x times 3 plus 9x, 5x times 2x plus 10x, and then 5 times 3 plus 15. So simplify, simplify what's in the square bracket first of all. 6x squared plus 19x plus 15. Okay, so now we need to multiply everything in the square bracket by 2. So 2 times 6 is 12x squared plus 38x plus 30. And now we've got x squared terms, we've got x terms, we've got number terms. So we know that we're going to have to solve a quadratic equation here. So if we bring everything on to the one side so that we've got a quadratic equation that's equal to 0, then we're going to have 0 equals, and there's only one x squared term, so it's just 12x squared. We're bringing the 9x over, so we're adding 9x to 38x, which is 47x. and we're adding 16 to 30 if we bring it over. So that's plus 46. Okay. So because these are very strange numbers and maybe more difficult to factorize normally, I'm going to use the quadratic equation. So we know that the quadratic equation is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where this number here is a, the coefficient of x squared, the coefficient of x is b, and the number term is c. So if we fill that all in, and then we put that into our calculator, we can find our x values. Minus 23 over 12 is our first x value, and our second x value is minus 2. So we can always plug those back in to our original equation to see if they give us the correct answer. So I will just do that quickly. And both of those give the correct answer, so that's perfect. So there we go. That's how we can go about solving a adding or subtracting algebraic fractions. There are obviously a few different variations of this, and I'll try to do a few more videos on some of the different types, but this is one method or one type of question that you would say. So thank you very much, and I hope this helped. Bye.